Good morning. My name is Divya Chani from Class 6. I am girls captain of Green Gladiators. I am here to deliver a speech on motherland. My motherland is India. Motherland is place where we born. Where we took our first breath and learn to speak and walk. We build a personal relationship with land and we can see that a personal connection we made, which we can never forget. No matter we go any corner of the world, that is because the most beautiful phase of a life, that is childhood, is spent here. I feel proud to call it my motherland. India is South Asian country with 32,87,263 square kilometer area of coverage. India is a country with unity and diversity. India has 28 states and 9 union territories. India is very famous historical place. India is very famous historical place. India is very famous historical where tourists visit from different countries. The major attraction of our motherland are Delhi, Goa, Jaipur, Mumbai, etc. Mumbai is also known as largest city of India. If we talk about the environment of India, we enjoy all the seasons such as winter, summer, spring, etc. I love my country very much and I feel so much lucky. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Good morning, respected Chairman Sir, Principal Sir, all teachers and my dear friends. Myself Priya Kumari from class 8. I am the girls captain of grade 1. I am here to deliver a short speech on friendship. Friendship is a very precious gift in everyone's life. Friends are dads who help you, enjoy with you, understand you, trust you and believe on you. We know many people in our life but not all are your friends. Friends are dads who understand you more than you. In any difficult situation, they always stand from your side because they trust on you. A good friend can a good friend can make person good. Now I want to translate into हिंदी. इस दुनिया में हमारे बहुत से रिश्ते बनते हैं पर कुछ रिश्ते हम खुद बनाते हैं. ऐसा ही एक रिश्ता है सच्ची मित्रता का जो इस दुनिया का सबसे सुंदर रिश्तों में से एक है. यूँ तो हमारे बहुत दोस्त बनते हैं पर कुछ दोस्त पैसे दोस्त कम ही बनते हैं जो जीवन में हमारे साथ निभाए. मैं अपने दोस्ती पर एक दो लाइन बोलना चाहती हूँ. दोस्ती नहीं है किसी दौलत की मोहताज, दोस्ती नहीं है किसी दौलत की मोहताज, कृष्ण के सिवा कौन सी दौलत थी सुदामा के बाद. धन्यवाद. आपका दिन शुभ हो.
Good morning, respected Chairman Sir, Principal Sir, all teachers and my dear friends. My name is Priyansi Naran for class 8. I am a girls captain of Yellow Challenges. Today I am here to deliver a short speech about student life. Being able to learn is the most valuable quality anyone can possess, and student life provides us with this opportunity. Through it, we get the chance to learn and grow. Well, like-minded person are nearby. We can make mistakes, learn from them, and become a better people. Student life is meant to help us layer discipline and study. Student life is quite enjoyable. Students, the struggle is low in student life. Student life is build the foundation of personal life. Students learn to grow emotionally, physically and socially. Public speaking can boost a student's self-confidence and help us become a better leader and communicators. In हिंदी, सीखने में सक्षम होना सबसे मूल्यवान गुण है जिसे कोई भी पार कर सकता है और छात्र जीवन हमें यह अवसर देता है. हालांकि सीखने और बढ़ने का मौका हमें तभी मिलता है जब हमारे जैसे विचारधाराओं वाले लोग हमारे आसपास होते हैं. हम गलतियां करते हैं और उनसे सीख कर एक बेहतर इंसान बन सकते हैं. विद्यार्थी जीवन काफी आनंददायक होता है. विद्यार्थी जीवन में अनुशासन और अध्ययन दोनों ही बहुत महत्वपूर्ण होते हैं और इनमें कम संघर्ष करना पड़ता है. विद्यार्थी जीवन किसी व्यक्ति का नींव बनाता है. छात्र भावनात्मक, शारीरिक और सामाजिक रूप से विकसित होता है. सार्वजनिक रूप से बोलने से छात्रों में आत्मविश्वास बढ़ता है और इन्हें एक बेहतर नेता और संचालक बनने में मदद मिलती है. थैंक यू. हैव अ वंडरफुल डे.
Good morning, respected Chairman Sir, Principal Sir, all teachers and my dear friends. Myself, Ravi Jasal from class 6. I am captain of Blue Warrior. My topic is education. Education plays a very important role in your life. Without education, we cannot achieve any successful in life.
Education is important for to our bright futures. It helps us develop problem solve skills. It become independent. थैंक इन हिंदी शिक्षा हमारे जीवन में शिक्षा का होना बहुत महत्वपूर्ण साधन है। शिक्षा हमें थैंक यू हैव अ नाइस डे।
A very good morning, our honorable chairman sir, respected principal sir, teachers and all my beloved friends. Myself M.D. Taslimuddin Alam from class 8. I am the captain of Green Gladiators. First of all, I would like to thank you, school captain, who gave me a golden chance to express my feelings in front of you all. Now, I am going to deliver a short speech. The topic of my short speech is mother. A mother feeds us, care for our needs and make us a good human being. She helps us our studies and also encourage our talent. Her whole life involved around her children. She also inculcates qualities of love, care, understanding, helping others, honesty, empathy, etc. The only unconditional love in the world is mother's love. My mother is my inspiration, my superhero, my best friend, and my guiding light. My life would not have been beautiful without my mom. Through up and down and in every step of life, she holds my hands and support and encourages me. मेरी शेरी तो जन्नत से आती है, मेरी शेरी तो जन्नत से आती है क्योंकि खाना मेरी माँ बनाती है। एक माँ हमें खाना खिलाती है, हमारी ज़रूरतों का ख्याल रखती है एंड मेक अस अ गुड वुमेन बी बिकॉज आपके लिए 24 आवर्स काम करने वाले सिर्फ आपके पेरेंट्स हैं। ओनली वन पेरेंट। अगर आपका एक्सीडेंट हो गया तो 40 दिन तक आप हॉस्पिटलाइज है तो 40 दिन माँ हॉस्पिटल में आपके पलंग के बराबर बैठी रहेगी। आपके दोस्त आते जाते रहेंगे, आपके रिश्तेदार आते जाते रहेंगे, लेकिन माँ हिलेगी नहीं। ये माँ होती है। एक माँ और बच्चे का जीवन भर का रिश्ता होता है। ईसाई ने कहा था कि माँ जैसी जहाँ में कोई औरत न मिलेगी। इस संसार इस दुनिया में माँ के जैसा आपको कोई नहीं मिलने वाला। इसलिए मेरी माँ के बिना मेरी ज़िंदगी खूबसूरत नहीं होती। I asked God for water, He gave me the ocean. I asked God for the light, He gave me the sun. When I asked for love, He did not give me anything. Until I realized for love was with me all the time. It was my mother. Saying so, I am the Taslimuddin wants to put an end to my short speech here. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Good morning, respected chairman, sir, principal, sir, all teachers, and my lovely friends. Myself, Rahul Kumar, I did in class 8. I am captain of Red One. Today, I am here to convey a speech about save water. We all know that it is the most precious and useful resource on the earth. It is the most basic need of everyone, whether it is human beings, animals, plant, and other microorganisms. It is fact that we can live for food live for days without food, but we cannot imagine to live without water more than a day. Despite having so much importance, do we care something about save water? So it's our responsibility to save water and save water. I would like to request all of you to take please to save water and have a beautiful life for us and your future generation. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning, all of you. Respected chairman, sir, principal, sir, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself Jay Kuswa from class 8. I am captain of Blue Warrior. Today I am present here to deliver a short speech about Indian culture. India has its own culture and tradition which make it best from the world. it will be correct to say that India is a country of different religions, cultures and traditions, which makes them happy. In हिंदी, भारतीय संस्कृति भारत की संस्कृति अनूठी और परंपरा है जो पूरी दुनिया से अलग बनाती है। यह कहना सही होगा कि हमारे देश के सभी लोग अलग अलग धर्म के और साथ मिलजुल कर रहते हैं। धन्यवाद, आपका दिन शुभ हो।